Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, The Abundant Lifestyle. We're here to help you live a richer, more fulfilled life, not just in terms of wealth, but also in terms of well-being and success. Today we're going to talk about something I'm frequently asked. What are the best ways to make money online? Well, the wait is over. Today I'll share with you the top 5 ways to make money online. And trust me, these are not just general tips, but detailed, actionable strategies. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing may seem daunting at first, but it's relatively user-friendly for beginners. Simply put, you partner with brands to promote their products or services, earning a commission for any sale generated from your referral link. Say, for example, you start a blog about fitness. You'll want to partner with a company selling protein supplements. They'll provide you with a unique link that tracks any purchases made by people who come from your site. Now, every time someone purchases using your link, you earn a piece of the profit. Major affiliate platforms to consider are Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Awin, spelled A-W-I-N, and ClickBank. Number 2, freelancing. The second way to make money online is by freelancing. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a coder, an editor, an SEO expert, or even a voiceover artist, there's a freelance job out there for you. Websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide an online marketplace of jobs for talented freelancers. You'll just have to set up a profile, list your skill and pricing, and then you bid or apply for jobs. Remember, freelancing is about building a presence and a reputation, so excellent work that leads to good reviews will attract more clients. Number 3, online courses. Our third way to make money online may require some more groundwork, but could yield substantial returns if done correctly. I'm talking about creating and selling online courses. The concept here is simple. You have a skill, be it creative writing, digital marketing, yoga, cooking, or any other, and you create a comprehensive course teaching others that skill. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable are perfect platforms for launching your course. Just don't forget, the key to selling your course is to provide genuine value and to market it well. Number 4, e-commerce. Number 4 on the list is starting an e-commerce business or a dropshipping store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy make it easier than ever to start selling products online. And with dropshipping, you never have to worry about stock or distribution because the supplier does it all for you. Creating a successful e-commerce store requires identifying the right products, negotiating with the suppliers, optimizing your website, and mastering digital marketing. It might seem like a lot, but with strategic planning and execution and persistence, it can be very profitable online business. Number 5, blogging. Now, last but not least, is possibly one of the oldest, yet still one of the most effective ways to make money online: blogging. Choose a niche you're passionate about and start creating valuable content that attracts an audience. Over time, you can monetize your blog through affiliate links, sponsored posts, or Google AdSense. Now, success in blogging is about consistency, creativity, and providing valuable content that strikes a chord with your readers. All right, so there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online. Now, it's important to remember that none of these methods are a get-rich-quick scheme. They all require effort, commitment, and continuous learning. But if done effectively, they can provide a significant income and maybe even replace your full-time job. So why not give it a shot? You never know where your journey to an abundant lifestyle might start. For more tips, advice, and strategies on how to enrich your life, make sure to subscribe to The Abundant Lifestyle, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. And this is The Abundant Lifestyle signing off and wishing you an abundant day.